Yo, if you guys are looking to buy any FIFA Ultimate Team coins, check out x3game.com. They're my new sponsor. I'll leave a link in the description to their site. They're fast, cheap and reliable. Use code HABER at checkout to get yourself 8% off your order. Enjoy the video, lads.
Let me start off by saying I don't think Team of the Year is going to be this Monday, but there is potential for it, and here's why. For those of you that are not aware, there is a ceremony called The Best. It's basically the Ballon d'Or ceremony that EA have changed, or FIFA have changed to calling it The Best, and it's now held in October. It's actually held in 5 days, 1 hour, 34 minutes from recording this video. If you go on their website, which I'll leave a link in the description for, you'll see a countdown on there for when the ceremony is. Now, a lot of people are going to sit there and tell you that Team of the Year is going to be at this ceremony, because usually it's held in January, and straight after that, EA released the Team of the Year into FIFA. Here's why I don't think they're going to do it this year. EA have had this as a January event, basically, for the last sort of 6 to 7 years, I believe, in the FIFA franchise. In every single FIFA that there's been for the last 6-7 years, in January we've had the Team of the Year, where we get blue cards with insane stat boosts to what they usually get. They usually get a +6 or +7 overall, and incredible stats. They usually are very expensive, and a lot of packs usually open. And the reason it's in January is because there is nothing now from January until Team of the Season that is really worth opening packs for. So EA go ham with it and hopefully get a lot of sales for FIFA points, which boosts their whole economy. Between October and December, we have Black Friday, we have Scream Halloween deals, we have a bunch of different things. We have the Christmas, the Footmas stuff. That's why I don't think EA are going to do it in October, because there is so much that there is still in this game that is already selling FIFA points that there's no point them even including the Team of the Year in October, because there's just everything's already selling. Like, FIFA points are already selling naturally because people want to get better teams for the weekend league. They want to open packs in anticipation for the Scream cards, in anticipation for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, etc. Here's why that's the reason why I don't think EA are going to release the Team of the Year in October. But if they do, here's how you can deal with it and not lose coin. Usually people panic sell. Usually people think there's going to be a market crash, like a huge market crash, and it usually means there isn't a market crash because people panic sell and everyone picks cards up. Now, EA will probably be doing SBCs, which will put value back into the market as well, if there is Team of the Year in October, that is. If there's not, then just watch this video in January and it still counts exactly the same. EA will do SBCs. They will do a lot of different things that keep coins in the market and keep the market stable. Last year, everyone thought there was going to be a price crash, and everyone that bought players to sell or sold players to buy actually lost coins because players' prices went up naturally. And the reason is because when everyone's selling their cards, of course players' prices are going to go down, but then everyone starts to buy their teams when they think players' prices are at their lowest, and it drives the price straight back up. It's all about supply and demand. That's all the market is. It's supply and demand. The demand for people to buy their teams will outweigh the supply when people have stopped selling. That is why the prices usually go up, because when the supply outweighs the demand, the prices go down. Or when the demand outweighs the supply, prices go up. Regardless, when the actual market crash happens, it's usually before the event. Now, if we get it in October, that's probably not going to happen because people aren't expecting Team of the Year, and I don't think people will start selling their cards now expecting Team of the Year or in anticipation for Team of the Year. But if it's in January, it's usually a couple of weeks before is when the actual market crash starts, because everyone sells their players thinking, oh, I need to sell this guy because he's going to drop when Team of the Year starts, and then buy them back during Team of the Year. And of course, it's a supply and demand thing that I just talked about. When people are buying all their players in Team of the Year, the players' prices go up and the players' prices go down before, because everyone's selling their cards thinking that players' prices are going to go down when Team of the Year drop. The best advice to not lose coins I can give you personally is just hold on to your players. Hold on to them like they are going out of style. Just hold on to all your players that you can and just make sure you don't sell them, because panic selling is the worst thing you could possibly do. It will lose you so many coins and it will really affect yourself. And not even that, right? If you panic sell, chances are that player's going to rise. Chances are in a couple of days, in a couple of weeks, the player's going to rise. You know, a player's never going to just drop and stay at a ridiculously low price if it's a player that should have a high price. That's never going to happen. If you hold on to your player, chances are you'll make your coins back. Now, a little bit of advice I do want to give you actually is try and get some gold rares for about 650 coins. These players here, bid 650 on them and just mass bid on loads of gold rares, because usually EA do an 82 plus pack which requires either 7 rares, or they do an 83 plus pack that requires, sorry, 81 81 plus pack requires 11 rares, 82 plus pack requires 7 rares. So the 81 plus pack is 2 players over 81 rated, requires 11 rare gold players for the SBC with 35 chemistry, and the 82 plus pack is 1 82 plus player which requires 7 rares and 4 non-rares, all gold, 35 plus chemistry. That is the SBCs, and what I'd highly recommend doing is bidding 650 on all these cards, because as we've seen with the gold upgrade packs, players' prices will rise. The rare cards will go up to like 700-800 a pop, and you'll be able to sell them for like 200 coins each, and if you've bought enough of them, that'll be a significant profit. But that is it for the video, guys. If you want a Scream Halloween card trading method video with loads of investing and loads of trading tips and guides, then leave a like down below and let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. Thank you for watching this video, boys. Hopefully it was helpful to you lot that are thinking, is Team of the Year going to be in October? Is it going to be in January? When should I sell my plays? When should I buy? Etc, etc. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you lads later.